Understanding the ball is rolling. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, the ball is rolling. It's a phrase you might hear in various contexts, but what does it really mean? Stick around as we unpack its meaning, usage, and offer some examples to help you master it in no time. The ball is rolling is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that a process or project has begun and is progressing. Imagine starting to roll a ball across the floor. Once it's moving, it continues on its path. Similarly, this phrase suggests that once something has started, it will continue to move forward or develop. While the exact origins of "the ball is rolling" are not clear, it's thought to come from physical games or activities where balls are literally set in motion. In everyday use, this phrase can apply to various situations, such as starting a new project at work, initiating plans for an event, or any process that has recently begun and is expected to continue. To help you understand how to use "the ball is rolling," let's look at a few examples. Project initiation. Now that we have approval from management, the ball is rolling on our new marketing campaign. Event planning. We've booked the venue and sent out the invitations, so the ball is rolling for the annual gala. Personal goals. I've started taking online courses to improve my skills. Finally, the ball is rolling on my career development. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting its versatility in different contexts. When using "the ball is rolling," remember, it's best used when a process has begun and is expected to continue. The phrase conveys a sense of momentum and progress. It can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, "the ball is rolling." Now that you know what it means, how it's used, and have seen some examples, you're well equipped to use it in your own conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master helps keep the ball rolling on your path to fluency. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.